Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make some chicken soup. So I have squash, I have my squash, I have Irish potatoes, I have sweet potatoes, and I have some carrots. And these are the vegetables that I'm gonna be adding. I also have some Jamaican dasheen and yam. I'm gonna add those to the pot. And of course some dumplings. And that's what I'm gonna use to make my soup today. So continue to watch this video if you wanna see how I make my chicken soup. I like this type of squash or pumpkin because it looks just like, I like this type of squash because it looks just like our Jamaican pumpkin. So it has real nice thick meaty parts and it's nice and yellow, so it gives my pumpkin, my soup, a real nice rich yellow look, same as the pumpkin does. So this is the butternut squash when you open it up, so it's nice, beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this up in smaller pieces. Some people like to peel off the skin, that's too much work, so I'm just gonna wash it and clean it and chop it. All right, so I have maybe 3 liters of water. Let's say 3 to 4 liters of water. I'm going to add my seasoning to the pot, so salt, garlic powder. I can put onions in there, just get the base of it seasoned so that your soup is flavorful through and through. So I'm going to get those ingredients and put them in here. So right now my water is hot. It's a squash, a butternut squash that I cut in half, and now I've diced it. And I'm trying to put it into the pot without burning myself. So I let the pumpkin cook and it's softened. Pimento seeds. For my soup, I'm gonna mash my pumpkins and add this back to the pot. I'm gonna add my carrots, my sweet potato, and my Irish potatoes. I have chicken wings. This is around, how much kilograms is this? This is about a pound of chicken wings. So I'm going to clean them up, rinse them off, and put them into the soup. At this point, I'm gonna add my dry soup mix. So this is spicy grace soup mix. And I'll add the entire packet to my soup. Alright, so these are dumplings. Dumplings are cooked. And I'm going to cut these into smaller parts. Just add all of the packet. Adding my dry thyme. About a tablespoon of dry thyme. I'm adding a teaspoon of dried oregano. I love oregano in my soup. Makes it really nice. I'm gonna add Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper, just adding some green onions to the pot. Nice fresh green onions. Call this scallion. Same thing, green. At this point, I am going to give this a taste. See if it needs any more salt. It shouldn't need any salt at this point because your noodle is salt and we added salt earlier. So it should be just another 5 minutes and we're all ready for our Saturday soup. Big pieces, and I'll just cut them in smaller portions like this, and then I put them back in the pot.